Today, I am reviewing the Dell Alienware 18 Area-51 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing that defines the system is raw power. The Intel Core Ultra 9275HX is a high-performance mobile processor designed to push serious workloads. In practice, this means you're not just getting strong gaming numbers, you're getting workstation-level responsiveness. Compiling code, rendering 3D scenes, editing high-resolution video, running multiple virtual machines, or working with AI-assisted tools all feel fluid and immediate. Under sustained loads, the CPU maintains impressive clocks, and paired with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, there's virtually no bottleneck when multitasking aggressively. This is not a laptop that struggles when you throw 10 demanding tasks at it simultaneously. The RTX 5090 inside this machine is the real headline feature. With NVIDIA's latest architecture and support for full ray tracing, DLSS 4, multi-frame generation, and advanced ray reconstruction, the gaming experience reaches a level that feels closer to a high-end desktop than a typical gaming laptop. At the native 2.5K WQXGA resolution on the 18-inch display, modern AAA titles run at extremely high frame rates with ray tracing enabled. DLSS 4 is not just a checkbox feature. It significantly improves performance while preserving clarity, and in fast-paced shooters or competitive titles, the smoothness is immediately noticeable. NVIDIA Reflex 2 with frame warp technology is particularly relevant for competitive gamers. Latency is reduced dynamically based on the latest mouse input, and in practice, this creates a tighter connection between your actions and what you see on screen. It's difficult to quantify in casual play, but in high-speed multiplayer environments, that responsiveness can be the difference between winning and losing a duel. The combination of high refresh rate, low latency, and GPU headroom makes this machine exceptionally well-suited for esports-level performance. The 18-inch 2.5K anti-glare display deserves careful attention. At this size, the resolution strikes a sweet spot. It is sharper than standard QHD while avoiding the scaling challenges of 4K on a laptop. Text is crisp, fine details in games are sharp, and the anti-glare coating helps during long sessions by reducing reflections and eye strain. Colors appear vibrant without being oversaturated, and brightness levels are strong enough for most indoor environments. For content creators, the screen offers enough clarity and color depth to handle editing and design work confidently. For gamers, it provides an immersive field of view that smaller laptops simply cannot match. Storage is another area where this system avoids compromise. The 2TB PCIe SSD provides fast boot times, quick game loading, and enough space for a substantial library of modern titles, which are increasingly demanding in size. With 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, memory is never the limiting factor. Streaming gameplay while running background applications, editing footage, and keeping dozens of browser tabs open simultaneously does not cause slowdowns. This configuration feels future-ready rather than barely sufficient. Thermals are always a concern in high-performance gaming laptops, especially with components as powerful as the Ultra 9 and RTX 5090. Alienware's cooling solution here is robust. During extended gaming sessions, the system does ramp up its fans, but temperatures remain controlled. There is no severe thermal throttling under realistic workloads. The chassis design, airflow management, and internal cooling architecture clearly prioritize sustained performance rather than short bursts for benchmark scores. The trade-off, of course, is size and weight. This is not an ultra-portable device. It is closer to a transportable desktop replacement. But that trade-off is intentional, and it allows the hardware to perform at its intended level. NVIDIA Broadcast integration adds another layer of functionality, especially for streamers and remote professionals. AI-powered noise removal for microphones, virtual background effects, auto-framing, and enhanced video clarity genuinely improve streaming and video calls. Combined with the GPU's AI acceleration, it allows users to build a capable home studio directly from the laptop without external processing hardware. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensure modern connectivity standards are supported. Network speeds, when paired with compatible routers, are fast and stable. For online gaming, this translates into reliable connections and reduced latency spikes. The backlit keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with satisfying key travel, making it suitable for both gaming and productivity. Build quality is solid, with the signature Alienware design language that feels premium and durable rather than fragile.